It is the end of an era. I swapped out my weather station, swapped it out for the new one that was sent to me. I love it. It's a lot like the old one, slightly different, but yeah. Held on to this old one. It still works. It just wasn't connecting to the thermometer any longer. So, you know, if I can find a replacement thermometer for this, I'll hold on to this for now. Can't throw anything out. I'm a little bit of a hoarder like that. Does anyone remember when I said that my propane regulator, the reason I wasn't using that one is because it used to make like a constant hum, like tinnitus times 20? Yeah, it's doing it now. You do hear that, right? It's not just me. I do have the oven on, so I guess maybe that's why. Oh my. Okay. Mm-hmm. 4 inches? Just enough to put some snot sickles on the chimney. Huh. Yeah, I don't even know if there's any point for me to do anything here at the moment, because it's still snowing. But you look cozy, Ramsey. You look warm and cozy in there. Lucky you. See my breath? Yeah, I'm just in here trying to get this fire going a bit better. Okay, you know what I do for that? Put the pillow there. That way the cold air is not flying in here, and if the cats really want to go out, they just knock it over and they go out. As you can see, they've been out puttering around on the catio in the snow. You think you want to go out there, eh? Well, there you go. You're free, Ramsey. Buddy, you want to go out? I thought that's what you wanted. You want the lazy way. I know. I know. Rory, you were the smart firstborn. You're like, no, I'm not going out there and that. Nuh-uh. So not the nicest out there. Pretty chilly. 0 degrees. Then in here, for whatever reason, we've got mosquitoes. Like, what? Hello? What? You missed the train, man. Dude. Why? Is that a mosquito? That's a freaking big mosquito. Dang. That sucker will probably bite you. Wow. Okay. Okay, wind. I hear you. I see you. We keep getting gusts of wind. The cat door is just like being held open by the wind. Here comes the plow. I knew I could hear it. Well, that is some snow getting pushed. Cool. And there goes some of my driveway. Aww. Okay, well, that is one thing I don't love about having the driveway plowed is if it's not totally frozen, the gravel likes to go with the snow. And then in the spring you have a mountain of gravel. Yeah. Oh, okay. You think it's a good day to escape and go play in the snow. Well, let's see how this pans out, shall we? Yeah, you want nothing to do with it, just like I thought. Come on, let's go for a walk. It's a grand day for a walk. Come on. Yep. Come on. You look like you're enjoying yourself. Oh my gosh, he's running now. He's running. All right, buddy. I think that was adventure enough for you. I'm stuck. How good are your snow tires really if you're getting stuck in that little bit of snow? Wow, okay. I had those tires on all last winter, and then I kept them on all spring, summer, fall, so that probably didn't help them, but I like to learn the hard way. We're gonna try an old trick that usually works. Wood stove ashes. They're not hot ashes. These have been sitting, they're cold ashes, but they're ashes. Place a little bit of those around your tires. These ashes aren't hot, remember, okay? Just want you to know that. Wow, this wind, this wind! The ashes trick, man, it works every time, I'm telling you. Might have to use it over here because I pulled straight into the higher snow. Guess I was being a cocky son of a gun. If I do get stuck, we'll try the ashes trick again, but hopefully I'm not. I was gonna back in there, but I didn't know where the ashes container was, and I didn't want to knock it over, run over it, so you know how it is. We're Gucci, baby. The catio roof is about to cave in. Look at this. Ew, this wind though. I don't know how comfortable I feel standing here under these swaying trees, but you know, like I said, I like to learn the hard way. This stuff gets heavy on the tent shed. I'm gonna try to get off what I can. Well, I guess this side of the tent shed is just looking a little worse. Yeah. Wow. Oh wow, that's thick. She a thick bitch. Okay, I don't think there was much point to cleaning off these solar panels because yeah, kind of a layer of ice there, but at least we got the snow off. Yeah. Don't yell at me. I'm still using old rickety here, but I'm getting a new ladder, so relax. What the heck? Getting pelted in the head with snow over here. I am getting a new ladder. I'm getting a new ladder. Just, yes. Someday soon I will have one that is taller than me. And safer than old rickety. The wind is just in the right direction that when you're cleaning off the solar panels, all the smoke from the chimney is blowing directly in your face. It's not pleasant. See what I'm saying? It's coming right this way. Well, that's interesting. That panel off there cleaned off well, and this one over here, I don't know, it's just like a sheet of ice, so interesting, I guess. Whew, all right. Driveway is plowed. Car is unstuck and moved. We got some pathways shoveled out, solar somewhat cleaned off. What's left? Nothing. Enjoying a beer after all your hard work, right? Woo, and then you walk in and it's so warm in here, it's pretty steamed up. Let's see, -2 outside, 24, almost 25 in here. It's warm, and yeah, maybe a little too warm. I would like a beer, but I'm not drinking it in here because it's too warm in here now. I figure we can go sit around the fire pit and crack a cold one, you know? It's a pretty nice day. Yeah, right here looks about good. Mondays are awesome enough. You throw in a snowstorm Monday and it's just 10 times better. That wasn't sarcasm. This is what we're left with for wood. About a row and a half. Place your bets in the comments below. How long do you think it'll last? There has been a few guesses already, and I can tell you, it's not looking good for March 1st. We shall see. We shall see. I think the wind is dying down. Maybe. I hope. Well, I think that's going to be it for me here. I'm just going to finish my beer and then bring in some wood. Yeah, just kind of a stormy, windy, snowy kind of day. And I've been feeling the winter blues lately. I'll put it to you that way. Just kind of shows up out of nowhere sometimes, but it's hitting me lately, I'm telling you. Looking forward to spring. I know I can't complain too much because we don't get a lot of snow. Our temperatures aren't too terrible cold, so I really have no right to complain. I'm looking forward to spring. That's all I'm saying. I'm looking forward to spring. Yeah. Don't forget, if you get your vehicle stuck in the snow, some people use kitty litter. Some people use ashes. Kitty litter is just a little more expensive. Wood stove ashes are free in my case, but make sure they're not hot wood ashes, okay? Don't go putting hot ashes under your tires. Those were cold. They were sitting out for a number of days, so. But it works. It works. Learned that trick a few years ago. Anywho, I have a project that I have been putting on the back burner only because of the weather. Half of it is inside, half of it is outside. I'm just waiting for the day that it's going to be nice enough that I can accomplish something with that. But for now, this is what we're working with, right? So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Cheers to good beers. This isn't the best packing snow, but if you're somewhere warm under a palm tree and I'm stuck here in this is for you. Sorry, I'm sorry, just, you know, I'm sorry. P.S. You deserved it.